Inside the world's most expensive private jets, luxury in the sky. Picture this. You glide past crowded terminals, bypassing security lines and long waits, then step into a realm of airborne opulence crafted for royalty and heads of state. Today, we're unlocking the doors to the most extraordinary private jets on the planet. Each cabin a bespoke masterpiece, each detail engineered for ultimate comfort and prestige. From monumental two-deck palaces to sleek, high-speed intercontinental marvels, these flying wonders redefine what it means to travel in style. And here's the kicker. One jet conceals a secret so unbelievable, it will forever alter your vision of private aviation. Ready to discover it? First, VC-25A Air Force One. Which aircraft costs more per flight hour than most ultra-rich households spend in a year? Design and development. Stepping aboard the VC-25A feels like entering a mobile presidential command center. Its iconic blue and white livery glistens under runway beacons, and the steel-reinforced fuselage, bristling with next-generation missile defense arrays, radiates an aura of unassailable authority. Every footstep echoes precision, as state-of-the-art secure communications and advanced protection systems hum softly beneath the opulent interior. Built on the Boeing 747-200B platform in 1990, the two VC-25s underwent a midlife upgrade, 2018 to 2024. Featuring CF680, C2 engines, and modern avionics suites, extending service through 2040. Key features and personal insights. Secure comms suite, satellite links, and jam-resistant radios keep the president connected anywhere. Onboard medical suite, a fully equipped operating theater supports in-flight procedures. Convertible conference room. Seats 14 around a polished walnut table that doubles as a command center. Measuring 70.6 meters long, with a 59.6 meters wingspan, its four engines each provide 61,500 pounds of thrust, enabling an unrefueled range of 6,800 nautical miles at Mach 0.85, Washington to Beijing non-stop. Pricing and operating costs. Procurement, $325 million per airframe. Hourly operating cost, $177,843, covering fuel, consumables, and overhauls. The presidential stateroom's mattress was custom-made by the White House supplier. 4 auxiliary power units run all systems independently on the ground. Second, Airbus A380 VIP Flying Palace. What private jet doubles as a marble-lined palace and costs more than most five-star resorts combined? Design and development. Step into the Flying Palace, a two-deck marvel reimagined as a skybound Arabian palace for Prince Alwaleed. Imagine marble-veined foyers stretching beneath glittering crystal chandeliers, where intricate mosaic floors reflect the soft glow of ambient lanterns. Panoramic windows tower above you, framing endless cloudscapes like living tapestries, while hidden alcoves house velvet-lined lounges and bespoke art installations imported from the royal collection. Originally delivered to Emirates in 2008, airframe SN002 was acquired and refitted by Jumeirah Design. 60,000 square feet transformed into formal dining rooms, lounges, and private suites. Onyx spiral staircase connects decks under a skylight prism. Master suite, king bed, private lounge, and gold-plated fixtures rival palace opulence. Private cinema, 20-seat Dolby Atmos theater with gold leaf accents. Stretching 73 meters from nose to tail with a 79.8-meter wingspan, the Flying Palace soars on 4 GP7200 engines, each delivering 70,000 pounds of thrust, reaching speeds up to Mach 0.89 with a service ceiling of 43,000 feet, and sipping fuel from its 560,000-liter tanks to cruise 8,000 nautical miles non-stop. Pricing and operating costs. Acquisition, $310 million. Airframe, plus $150 million. Conversion. Annual ops, $25 to $30 million. Cargo hold garage, adapted to house supercars for direct tarmac drives. Herb garden, hydroponic station supplies fresh mint for onboard mixology. Third Boeing 747-8 BBJ, which jet combines jumbo jet volume with bespoke interiors and costs more than most private islands. Design and development. Climb aboard the 747-8 BBJ and prepare to be astounded by its sheer scale. This isn't just a jet, but a floating penthouse spanning 76 meters, where expansive lounge salons, high-tech conference suites, and lavish owners' retreats flow seamlessly together. Every bespoke detail, from hand-stitched leather seating to warm walnut accents, elevates your journey into a five-star aerial sanctuary. Based on the 747-8 Intercontinental, BBJ 747-8 adds auxiliary fuel tanks, aerodynamic winglets, and custom fuselage windows. Delivered from 2012, it meets VIP certification under FAA Part 25. Key features and personal insights. Main deck salon. Opens to a 12-seat boardroom and lounge area. Lower deck master suite. King bed, office, and spa bath with ocean views. Observatory lounge. Panoramic rear fuselage windows for 180-degree vistas. Stretching 76.3 meters from nose to tail with a 68.4-meter wingspan, the 747-8 BBJ is powered by four Genx-2B engines, each producing 66,500 pounds of thrust, while 242,470 liters of fuel enable a non-stop range of 8,000 nautical miles at Mach 0.85. Pricing and operating costs. List price, $391 million. Operating cost, $23,000 per hour. Multipurpose hangar, fold-out ramp for tenders or ATVs. Helicopter pad, reinforced deck section supports light choppers. 4. Boeing BBJ 777X. What wide-body business jet offers 11,000 nautical miles non-stop and cabin space larger than most cruise ship staterooms? Design and development. Step into the BBJ 777X cabin and be enveloped by 343 square meters of pure refinement, where folding wingtips tuck away to unveil sweeping panoramic windows that drown a bespoke lounge, dining salon, and private master suite in natural light. Feel the hum of the revolutionary GE9X engines resonate through the seamless bulkheads as you sink into plush leather seating. Sip champagne at a sculpted marble bar and gaze out at endless horizons, all within a floating sanctuary engineered for unrivaled elegance and performance. Announced in 2018, BBJ 777X is based on the 777-8-9 platform. The 8 offers 11,654 nautical miles range, the 9 11,000 nautical miles. Largest cabin in biz aviation with 3.5-meter ceiling height. Key features and personal insights. Sky bridge dome. Glass roof section for stargazing at 41,000 feet. VIP conference suite. Seats 20 around a smart glass table. Crew rest module. Enclosed quarters for extended range operations. With a capacious 343 square meter cabin, twin GE9X engines each outputting 105,000 pounds of thrust, the BBJ 777X sustains a Mach 0.90 cruise and boasts an intercontinental range of up to 11,654 nautical miles non-stop. Pricing and operating costs. Estimated list price, $442 million. Hourly ops, $18,000 to $20,000. Folding wingtips, first in commercial aviation, enhances aerodynamics, preserves hangar fit. Integrated AI co-pilot, semi-autonomous systems reduce crew workload on long flights. 5. Bombardier Global 8000. Which ultra-long-range business jet trades commercial liner scale for point-to-point luxury? Design and development. Climb aboard the Global 8000 and prepare to be enveloped in a world where boundary-shattering range meets unparalleled luxury. Imagine 6,600 nautical miles of non-stop flight opening to a cabin designed as 4 distinct sanctuaries, an elegant salon with plush seating, a serene private stateroom bathed in natural light, a dedicated wellness suite with mood-tuned LED ambiance, and a full-size shower, and intimate dining spaces all cloaked in hand-stitched Italian leather and framed by expansive panoramic windows. Based on the Global 7500, Global 8000 premiered in 2023. Powered by GE Passport engines, it achieves Mach 0.94 top speed and 6,600 nautical miles range at Mach 0.9 for 0.85. Key features and personal insights. 4 living zones, crew quarters, conference suite, lounge, stateroom, each with natural light galleries. Health-focused cabin. HEPA filtration. 3,800-foot cabin altitude. Circadian LED lighting. Wellness suite. Full-size shower, exercise station, and relaxation lounge. At 33 meters in length with a 34-meter wingspan, the Global 8000 is propelled by 2 GE Passport engines, each churning out 18,920 pounds of thrust, delivering a stunning 6,600 nautical miles range at Mach 0.94, all while accommodating up to 19 passengers and a crew of 4 in unbridled comfort. Pricing and operating costs. List price, $73 million. Annual budget, $3.9 million, 200 hours per year, to $2.9 million, 400 hours per year. Concorde-inspired aerodynamics, smooth flex wing for adaptive sweep. Galley cryogenics, liquid nitrogen freezer for molecular gastronomy. If that jet's mesmerizing fusion of optical illusion and cutting-edge innovation ignited your imagination, smash that like button and let us know in the comments which hidden feature you'd unveil first. Subscribe to Super Luxury Lifes to become part of our elite circle, where each new yacht tour awaits your discovery. Elevate your access by joining our channel membership for exclusive live Q&A sessions with captains, virtual reality walkthroughs of private decks, and early previews of upcoming superyacht showcases. Dreaming of more? Fuel our next voyage with a super thanks, unlocking bonus behind-the-scenes footage, and ensuring we continue to bring you unrivaled secrets of the high seas. Your support charts the course for tomorrow's ultimate luxury explorations.